Hello guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. Today I will guide you in detail how to follow multiple accounts on the Twitter platform. This is a useful tool on our side. It supports you to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. Next, go to the Follow function section, select Follow by User. Here, you can follow the followers of the account. The second one can follow users. In addition, it also supports follow by keyword and follow by tweet. Here I will demo detailed instructions for you guys on how to follow by user. First, you will follow all the accounts that are following your Twitter accounts. Here you don't need to set up much. You just need to select the following people feature and press the start button. Here you can configure the number of people you will follow. As I am currently setting up as one follow because these accounts of mine are all new accounts. I will raise a series of new accounts to support both demo and guide for you and build more of my new account systems. You can see that the actions and status of the software all notify you of what feature is running or what process is going on. Maybe it has been followed or this account does not have any followers so it will not be followed. You can see part 2 that is follow by username list. Here, in the software, there are available features to support you to scan data in bulk on Twitter. Here, I will try to scan data by keyword. In addition, there will be other scanning features such as scanning tweets, scanning account information, scanning interactive accounts, or scanning tweets by keyword. Here, I will scan accounts by keyword and the amount of data I will scan is 50. You can choose to scan in bulk. After you have finished scanning, you will highlight all the data for yourself and click Copy Username. Go back to the Follow function section. You will copy all the username list you just scanned into the software. Then you save it. Next, you will set up a few options for yourself. For example, not following the account owner and the number of followers that each account will follow. Finally, you will click Start. Those are the steps to set up the mass follow feature on the software. In addition, the software also supports you to nurture accounts, post automatically, comment automatically, or reply to tweets automatically, retweet automatically. All actions and features are completely automatic. And it will support you to be able to deploy extremely effective tweet marketing. If you are interested in the software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I will leave it below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.